Ready? Oh, welcome back, guys. Today, Matthew and Matthew and Dad. We went to a store called Daiso where they sell a bunch of candy, and we bought a bunch of candy. And we're gonna try them all out. Let me go put them over here. Which one should we try first? Oh wait, what are these? Oh wait, these are not it. These are for Junior. Yeet. We're gonna try these first. They're called Caplico. Yeah, Caplico. Perfect. All right. What even are these? I probably shouldn't have tossed it because what if something breaks? Did it. That was hard work. All right, let's open it up. See what we have in here. Let's try them out. Ooh, wait, how do they feel like? No. Well, that's fine. There, the table's clean, I hope. Let's try it out. Not bad. It's pretty good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a Duvalin that's chocolate and strawberry. That's what it tastes like to me. Like a Duvalin, for those who know.
I don't really like them.
No? All right, just put them back. I give it... What do you give it?
Stay?
I have no idea. What do you give it?
2.5.
2.5 out of 10? Really? They're better than that. They're at least a 6. Take my fingers. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's set them aside. Now let's go with the next snack. They all... It was already opened.
I got a little piece.
Mommy got a little piece. Okay, that's fine. Wait, what even is this? Oh, crunchy crunch chocolate. You guys see that? Awesome. Let's open it. Oh, wait, I mean, it's already open. Who gets the first piece, me or you? Or I guess who gets the second piece? Because Mommy already got the first one.
What does it look like?
Oh, look at that. It says Lotte. I'll grab this little piece.
Daddy, it tastes like,
Oh, what
that
the?
called?
Like crunch?
Just like crunch.
Yeah,
This one's really good.
9.5.
This tastes better. This tastes
9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. This tastes better than crunch, actually. It has more flavor. Like the chocolate, definitely has more flavor. It's real good. Oh, I like this. We're going to finish it all. Let's finish it later. On to the next one. Marshmallows. Hello Kitty blueberry marshmallows. That's the packaging. It looks so pretty.
And it's already open.
And Matthew already opened it with his powerful hand. Here's yours. Okay, this is mine.
They're really good. I already had one.
Dad.
What's cream filled? That's pretty good. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Kind of too sweet for my taste, but it's not bad.
Kind of, you see what the two?
I know you like marshmallows. Do you like it? Do you like the marshmallow or the inside?
Yeah, the inside is too sweet for me.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was too sweet from the inside. The outside,
And she
good, because it's a marshmallow. Never go wrong with the marshmallow. Let's put it back inside and somebody else can eat it. Like Mom. Yeah. Okay, next one. Peachy gummy candy. This one's also, have you noticed the pattern? All these wrappers and everything look so nice.
And now put the always open.
But this one is open too. What if they, okay, here you go, this is yours.
It was me.
Oh, Mommy opened it.
Yay!
Oh, these are gummies, dude, check it out. So,
Yay!
gummy, very squishy, very, well, we'll find out if it's yummy or not. Me and Matthew are gonna try it at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, those are good.
Peachy.
Those are good. Sure good.
Okay, so how do you guys give it?
Wait, did we even grade the other one? The marshmallow? Marshmallow, I'll give it a 6. This one, I give it a 7. This you give it a 6.5?
No, that marshmallow.
Marshmallow, okay, what about this?
Like a 6.
This was better than the marshmallow. Okay, next one.
He likes marshmallow and stuff, so.
Ooh, this is gonna be,
Interesting.
what does that even say? Stringy gummy. This is impossible. Oh. Oh, look, they got individually packaged. Okay.
There's not that many.
How many are
There's
there?
actually a lot.
Yeah, there's a few in there. It's not that bad.
And
Yeah,
there's
it's
also
like 6 or
some
7. All right. Let's how do you
daddy beat?
this is impossible.
Open.
Oh wait.
Daddy.
I see it. Oh yeah, it does say open right there. Here you go. You can have mine. I already opened it. And I'll grab yours.
Oh my gosh, that feels same. I touch it?
Let me. Yeah, that's
What's it
yours.
feel like, Matthew? Like a gummy or like gum?
Gummy.
Oh, it feels like a gum to me. Let's taste it.
Oh, what does it taste like?
You sure it's a gummy? Yeah, it is a gummy. Hmm.
Stringy gummy.
The texture's kind of weird, but it's not bad.
You like it, Matthew? What do you give it?
Maybe
Like a 6.2.
6.2. What if I do this?
I did that to you.
Tastes better. All right, next candy.
Better.
All right. Oh wait, this is the last one. This is the last one.
You still have chips.
What? Oh,
Spicy, mega spicy.
this is gonna be the boss level. Hot chili spicy candy. All right, here we go. Ready? This is gonna be my favorite already.
You said candy.
This is gonna be my favorite.
Candy.
Cause this, look, what is it, Matthew? Are you ready? Coffee. I guess I may have to try this one on my own, but we'll find out if Matthew wants to give it a shot. Maybe give it a tiny lick, see if you like it or not. Ah! Okay, did it. Here you go, grab it.
I don't even like coffee.
Okay, let me smell it first. Oh, dude, you gotta smell that.
Yeah.
Pretty good. It tastes like coffee. Ow, my eye. Tastes like coffee. That's really good. Anyway, let's go to the next one, which is the boss level, spicy. I gotta toss this.
No, but also try those, the coconut ones.
Oh,
Oh, we're gonna try those too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Matthew
oh,
can
I
try.
hear cracks.
All right. No, never. Coconut
Maybe yes,
crispy
no.
rolls.
They're
Coconut crispy
probably
roll.
cracked.
We'll find out right now in a second. Look, there's a little sliver there to open. Yeah. Okay.
Are
There
they
you go.
cracked?
Dun, dun, dun.
They're not.
Actually, not bad. Check them out. Oh, yeah. They're like Takis, but made out of coconut. Okay.
By the way, coconut.
Here, try this one. Okay, I'll try it. I'll give it a...
Here's gonna take my coconut.
Eh. It's kind of... has a little bit of a sweetness to it.
Does it taste like coconut?
Somebody took my coconut.
The person behind the camera.
It's not bad. I mean, they're okay.
Wait. If we should decide it will taste better for that.
Now it's got like dirt on it. Better not eat that one. Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
now the spicy chip.
Boss level time. Matthew's gonna be the first one to try this one.
I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. You'll be fine. Look, this Japan's #1 spicy snack brand. That's gotta mean something. Dun, dun, dun.
Get the water ready. Get the water. Oh, get the milk ready.
There we go.
Get the milk ready.
Let's open that up. Take a look. Take a peek.
Take the smell.
Take a
red,
smell.
You know, like hot Cheetos, hot flaming chips. Doesn't have that kind of color.
I don't smell anything. Do you smell stuff? I don't smell anything. Anyway, let's try.
That's terrible.
I'm gonna get the one that has the most, like the most red, the most
Okay.
powder. All right, it's got to be this one right here. See that?
Get the milk ready.
All right,
Get
here we
the
go.
milk.
It's all right.
Get the milk. Get the milk.
It's not bad. It's pretty good. Where's the milk? Where's the milk?
Are you being serious? They're not spicy?
It's a little spicy, yes. It's a little. Okay, try it.
I mean, I like spicy fish. So.
Ah, my tongue's a little bit on fire. It's pretty good. It's all right. I kind of like. I like the texture of it, but it's actually not bad. Now that the spiciness has subsided a little bit, it's actually not too bad. Let me try another one.
They are not spicy at all.
Well, he got the mustard powder.
I'll get the most powder.
They're not spicy at all.
Pretty spicy. Very spicy. I'm about to die.
So what do you give the chips?
That's actually they're not that bad. The first one was a little bit spicy. I think because it had a lot of flavor to it. But the second one that I ate was a good amount of spice and crunchiness. So I give it like a 6 or a 7. Let's go with the 7. I'll give it a 7.
Which one was your favorite candy, Matthew?
This one.
The chop.
The crunch. That's Matthew's favorite. The crunch
Hey,
was
slow down.
super good. It was better than crunch. Which one? What's the wrapper for that one? I even lost it. Anyway.
It's a good one.
Oh yeah, this one right here. This one right here. This one definitely better than the actual crunch that we sell here in the US. It tastes so good. The chocolate is super creamy and it actually tastes like chocolate, not fake chocolate. I don't know why. It just tastes so good.
Please subscribe.
And like the video.
Video.
Say bye.
Bye.